Insert your magazine. Take a look up the barrel, be sure there's no obstructions. Into the chamber, down the barrel. Back up once you're sure that it's clear.
Shooters, commence fire. Rock it out, cycle safety, sights.
Even space on both sides, right? Right in the middle, like crosshairs. Right in the middle of that center mass, that target. Okay? Right. Not bad, not bad.
Give it a little twist on that cylinder and make sure it's locked. Hand goes back to the chest. You bring the weapon straight up, straight down into the holster.
Very good shooting right there. Very good. Any questions?
No.
Look at this. Nice. If you never shot before, keep it up and work on tightening it up a little bit. Tighten up that grip. Fundamentals.